Prepare for your Platform Developer I certification exam. CRT-450 dumps questions are the best material for you to study all the related topics. Share Salesforce CRT-450 exam dumps questions here. 1. A data engineer has left the organization. The data team needs to transfer ownership of the data engineer's Delta tables to a new data engineer. The new data engineer is the lead engineer on the data team. Assuming the original data engineer no longer has access, which of the following individuals must be the one to transfer ownership of the Delta tables in Data Explorer? A. Databricks account representative. B. This transfer is not possible. C. Workspace administrator. D. New lead data engineer. E. Original data engineer. 2. Which of the following benefits is provided by the array functions from Spark SQL? A. An ability to work with data in a variety of types at once. B. An ability to work with data within certain partitions and windows. C. An ability to work with time-related data in specified intervals. D. An ability to work with complex, nested data ingested from JSON files. E. An ability to work with an array of tables for procedural automation. 3. A data engineer wants to create a data entity from a couple of tables. The data entity must be used by other data engineers in other sessions. It also must be saved to a physical location. Which of the following data entities should the data engineer create? A. Database. B. Function. C. View. D. Temporary view. E. Table. 4. A data engineer is maintaining a data pipeline. Upon data ingestion, the data engineer notices that the source data is starting to have a lower level of quality. The data engineer would like to automate the process of monitoring the quality level. Which of the following tools can the data engineer use to solve this problem? A. Unity Catalog. B. Data Explorer. C. Delta Lake. D. Delta Live Tables. E. Autoloader. 5. In order for structured streaming to reliably track the exact progress of the processing so that it can handle any kind of failure by restarting and/or reprocessing, which of the following two approaches is used by Spark to record the offset range of the data being processed in each trigger? A. Checkpointing and write-ahead logs. B. Structured streaming cannot record the offset range of the data being processed in each trigger. C. Replayable sources and idempotent sinks. D. Write-ahead logs and idempotent sinks. E. Checkpointing and idempotent sinks. 6. Which of the following describes the relationship between bronze tables and raw data? A. Bronze tables contain less data than raw data files. B. Bronze tables contain more truthful data than raw data. C. Bronze tables contain aggregates while raw data is unaggregated. D. Bronze tables contain a less refined view of data than raw data. E. Bronze tables contain raw data with a schema applied. 7. Which of the following tools is used by autoloader process data incrementally? A. Checkpointing. B. Spark structured streaming. C. Data Explorer. D. Unity Catalog. E. Databricks SQL. 8. A data engineer is designing a data pipeline. The source system generates files in a shared directory that is also used by other processes. As a result, the files should be kept as is and will accumulate in the directory. The data engineer needs to identify which files are new since the previous run in the pipeline, and set up the pipeline to only ingest those new files with each run. Which of the following tools can the data engineer use to solve this problem? A. Unity Catalog, B. Delta Lake, C. Databricks SQL, D. Data Explorer, E. Autoloader. 9. In which of the following file formats is data from Delta Lake tables primarily stored? A. Delta, B. CSV, C. Parquet, D. JSON, E. A proprietary, optimized format specific to Databricks. 10. A data engineer wants to create a relational object by pulling data from two tables. The relational object does not need to be used by other data engineers in other sessions. In order to save on storage costs, the data engineer wants to avoid copying and storing physical data. Which of the following relational objects should the data engineer create? A. Spark SQL table, B. View, C. Database, D. Temporary view, E. Delta table.